Hi everyone, I'm Siu from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to link CapCut to TikTok. Connecting these apps makes it easier to create and share your edits directly on TikTok. So let's get started on how to link CapCut to TikTok. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the Edit Profile option. In the Links section, you can find the TikTok option. Tap on the Add button next to it. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. Go to the email or username section. Now, enter your TikTok credentials in the provided field. Then, tap on the Login button. Finally, tap on the Continue button to complete the process. And this is how you can link CapCut to TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.